as Bailey takes a short one for Parkin. Bailey's all right. They look for offside, but he's okay. And Hibbitt! What a great little goal! Oh, that was a beauty! A superb ball!
That's a good ball from Wagstaff, but he's hurt as he ran away. The ball to Hibbitt. Richards just ahead of him. Hibbitt! Yes! Kisses to the crowd, a goal for Wolves, an embrace for a youngster, a Wolves scarf being shown, and Wolves are 2-1 up.
Now the pressure building on Bill Glazier again. I wonder what thoughts are going through his mind. Hibbitt is the man that he faces. Hibbitt, who's already hit 2 penalties this season in cup ties, neither of them in the FA Cup. And Hibbitt hits a very firm ball. All the pressure then on Bill Glazier. And he's there. It's 2-0 to Wolves. Dugan to Richards. And a shot there. And a goal! That time it's scored by Hibbitt. And that puts Wolves 3-1 ahead. Back for Palmer again. Now, is this the moment? Hibbitt with a shot! Yes! Wolves going to the lead! Oh, and a break on for Hibbitt. Have to hurry. Talbot's coming back to him. It's on for the shot. Left-footed. What a beautiful goal! Oh! What a smasher! Hibbitt! 5 minutes into the first half.
Now Hibbitt. Shot could be on. And a beauty! 3-0, Kenny Hibbitt.
Richards, Kelly with the chance to cross. Hibbitt, and it was deflected, was it? Hibbitt and Carr are the 2 men over the ball. Both very inventive with dead ball situations. That wasn't an accident, it's got Hibbitt through, and somehow it hit McDonnell, and he couldn't keep it out. Wolves worked it brilliantly in the end.
It's Daly. Carr. Skates away from Devonshire. There's the cross ball. Brookings' header out. Hibbitt. Hibbitt to try it. Lash it. Deflected. Goal. Hibbitt. Latchford getting it back, but he'll lose that to Bell. McCall. Hibbitt. Daly. Nice ball. Hibbitt. Yes! Ken Hibbitt. 1-0. 28 minutes of the first half. Really was something. And Morris Daly gets there. Steve Daly. Willie Carr. Oh, super stuff, and Hibbitt. 2-0. 27 minutes into the second half. Kenny Hibbitt wraps in his second goal of the game.
Nelson, patching. Hibbitt. Oh, he's tried well! Oh, that's a brilliant goal! That is a brilliant goal! Oh, he really does pull those out of the draw from time to time. Parkin. Hibbitt. Daly. Good run by Hibbitt. It's in 2-1. Daniel. Carr. And Kenny Hibbitt's onside and equalises. And the stunned silence envelops St James's Park. Gray. And Gray's turn poses problems for Booth. Tackle back, half won the ball, but it's Carr to Thomas, and 2 in the middle. And a great save, but Hibbitt has got it on the second attempt.
Pointed to the spot.
So Roger Hansbury tested against Hibbitt. Comfortably in. Kenny Hibbitt gives Wolves the lead. And Hibbitt again, Hansbury again. Well, last time it was to Hansbury's right. Exactly the same spot. 4-0. Kenny Hibbitt is second.
Here's Clark. Looking for Gray, jumping against Houghton. Down for Hibbitt. Wolves are level. And the scorer congratulates the man who set it up for him. The thumbs up from Gray.
Hibbitt, and he scores. Ray Clements.
Referee aware. Hooligan gives it away. Problems here perhaps for Oldham with Hibbitt, who's found the range of his shooting and does so again.